You can analyze content in the Digital Scholar Lab using 6 analysis methods that come from open source libraries or lexicons. This is a snapshot of some of the outputs you can expect to receive from each of the integrated tools. We can divide the analysis methods into quantitative or qualitative methods. The quantitative methods, which you can see along the top, are simply put a numerical count of different features or attributes within a content set. N-grams, for example, identifies word counts across your content set, and parts of speech tagger will give you a count of the different parts of speech used by any given author. On the other hand, the qualitative analysis methods rely on the user for interpretation. That means that the user must make an educated analysis of the outputs. Qualitative analyses aren't simply counting terms or entities, but require some subjective interpretation of the output in order to gain insights. Both of these analysis types, the quantitative and qualitative, are useful and often work in tandem in any given project.